Ciao everyone. Today I'm in the mood for peanut butter kisses. It's cookie season, guys. Get used to it. There's going to be a lot more cookies coming. So let's see. What I did in this one is I mixed half a cup of sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of creamy peanut butter, half a cup of butter softened, 1 egg. I mixed it, then added 1.5 cups of flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and then we got some sugar for rolling them in, and of course, kisses. So what we do is we mixed it all together. We're making about 1-inch balls, rolling them in sugar, and then they're going to go in the oven at 375 for about 8 to 10 minutes. That's right before, and then after they come out of the oven, that's when you'll place the kiss on top. Otherwise, if you put them in early, your kiss is going to be a one melted mess. So here we go. And here they go, guys. Put the Hershey Kiss on there as soon as you pull them out of the oven, and then let them sit on the tray for like 5-10 minutes before you remove them. Otherwise, they will fall apart. Enjoy.